everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very gloomy, rainy day out, and it is the perfect day to do some spring cleaning in the house. And I am in desperate need of cleaning out my closet right now, like really bad. And you know it's bad when you're running out of hangers. I bought extra hangers and I am like out of hangers. So when I know I'm out of hangers, it's time to purge some stuff. So today we're gonna be going in my closet. I'm gonna be purging things because I'm in desperate need. One of the things I do to purge is I use Poshmark. I am an avid user of Poshmark. I've actually been using and been active on Poshmark for 8 years now, which is crazy. I actually looked back. I think my first post was in like, I don't even know, 2012 or 2013. So I have been using Poshmark for a very long time, and it's just a great way for me to motivate me to get in my closet, pull out the things that I am not wearing that maybe even had like 1 or 2 wears, to put it on Poshmark and sell it, make a little cash off of it, but also have somebody else enjoy the item. So I love Poshmark. I've actually bought quite a few items off Poshmark as well. When I find something that has sold out and I really love it, I actually go on Poshmark and I search for it, and usually you can find the item. I've done that quite a few times. When things sell out, I'll go on Poshmark and find it and purchase it there. So I think it's such a great tool. You can buy, sell, and trade on there. If you are in the US, Canada, and Australia, you can download the app straight to your phone. It is so easy to use. I'm gonna share with you guys how to use it as well, but we're gonna clean out the closet today because it is in desperate need. And today's video is sponsored by Poshmark, so thank you, Poshmark, so much for sponsoring today's video. And if you want to follow me on Poshmark, you can download the app with the link in the description down below and follow me at Absolutely Airs. I am there. I have lots of things listed always on there, and I'm actually going to be marking things down to $3, which I don't know if you know this, I don't really make anything. When you put things to $3, you don't really make anything. So they're basically like giving away items. And if you want to check those things out, there's gonna be some good items for only $3 on there. So make sure to download the app, check me out at Absolutely Airs, and let's go into my closet. Okay, some questions to ask yourself when you're going through your closet. 1, does it have some damage to it? Are there holes? Are there snags? There's buttons that fell off that you're not going to be replacing, because for me, when buttons fall off, I'm just like, it's a lost cause. Or when it has holes in it, there's no like putting it back together. Those things I do not sell on Poshmark. I usually donate, or just kind of, I'll ask my mom if she wants to fix it and then keep it, or it's just kind of junk. But otherwise, if it's in good condition, I always post it to Poshmark. And then the other thing I ask myself, and this is a really great question to ask yourself when you're going through your closet, obviously, have I worn it? Will I wear it? Is it in good condition? Does it go with my style still? And then if it was in a store right now, would I repurchase this item? That is like one of the biggest questions I think that helps me. Like if I saw this in a store right now or online, would I be inclined to purchase it again? When I go through my closet as well, I make different piles. I usually do a donate pile, it's just no hope pile, and it kind of needs to be trashed, and then a Poshmark pile. So usually the Poshmark pile is pretty stacked because I feel like I keep my clothes in really good condition, but I have some really great items I'm gonna share with you guys real quick that I'm gonna be posting to Poshmark. So this brown utility jacket, I really love it. It's been very gently worn, but I just don't feel like I'm reaching for it this spring. We've kind of had spring here, and although I do wear jackets all through like till the end of June almost, I just don't feel like I wore this one enough. And I have a ton of other jackets that I have that are newer that I've kind of moved on to. So this one is gonna go on Poshmark. It's from Old Navy. It is so cute, like I said, in perfect condition. I did get a couple wears out of it, but it is time to go. It is time to pass on to somebody that will love it even more. All right, this is not an in-season item, but I am going to be posting this to Poshmark because I have so many Sherpa things in my closet. I can't have that many, and I'm not gonna lie, it takes up a lot of space in a closet, a big kind of like Sherpa-y jacket like this, and I didn't find that I wore this one. It is so adorable. I debated on it for a very long time here whether or not to sell it, but I think it is time to sell as I just didn't get the wear out of it. It's pretty in like almost brand new condition, and I just have so many other things in my closet like it. So this one, it's a Sherpa from Abercrombie that will be going on my Poshmark. Is this J. Crew ribbed sweater, little sleeveless turtleneck. It is, I think I wore this once. I think I wore it literally once. It is in perfect condition. It is so cute, but I just don't find myself reaching for it. I have so many little like sweater tank things like this now that this one didn't make the cut. So this one will be going on Poshmark. Like I said, I think I wore it once. So somebody else I hope will love this. Next up is this little knit tank. I love knit tanks like this, and I have literally like 6 in my closet. So this one did not make the cut out of all the other ones. I should probably get rid of a couple others as well, but this one didn't make the cut, so this one's gonna go on Poshmark. So cute. I love this one, but somebody else is gonna love it even more than I did. I'm also posting this little floral top. I only wore it a couple times. It was a little big on me, so I think I'm going to be posting this as well. It's adorable. It's in mint condition, but it just ran a little big. All right, another thing I'm gonna be posting on Poshmark is this adorable skirt. Oh, I'm so mad. So some of the perks of being a blogger and influencer is you sometimes get sent free things, and sometimes they don't arrive in the right size, which is such a bummer, which happened with this. It is so cute. It's this really beautiful pencil skirt. It has a knot detail right there. It's a beautiful cream color from Chic Wish, and unfortunately, it just didn't fit around my bum. So I needed a size up. So this one is going on Poshmark. It is a brand new item, and I'm so bummed I didn't even get to wear it, but somebody is gonna get lucky and get a new skirt. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how to post to Poshmark. You open the app, and the sell button right here is at the very bottom. I'll try to show a little more detail to the side, but all you do is you just take a picture, and I usually hang it on my door here and just take a picture. I'll do a big shot, then I'll take another shot kind of closer up, maybe showing the tag and the size. If I can, I will show the material, if it has any tags on like the material on what it is, and maybe like a little bit of a detail shot so they can see the texture or the like what it looks like up close, and get true to color. So that's what I do. All you have to do then is fill out the information that they have provided. You put the title, describe what the item is, how many, I usually only sell one thing at a time, size, the brand, and then you go down to price. If you can remember the original price, you can put that in, and then you do the listing price, and sometimes it actually gives you a suggestion to like what you're posting. If you're posting a jacket, or if you're posting just an easy blouse, it will give you a suggested price range on what you should post it and what's selling that's similar at that price. So I think that is super helpful. It helps me a lot, and you come up with the price and you go ahead and list it, and I think it's just so easy. Like, it's just so quick and easy, and once you sell something, it is super fun to do. So really funny, I literally just posted this top and it's sold. So I am going to share with you guys how I package it up, kind of what I do. I am not a professional Poshmarker. I don't have like a really fancy like packaging. I don't have like I don't have fancy things. I really just use what I have, which I think is even better because you're using what you have and you're not causing waste. I get a lot of boxes from all my orders, and a lot of those boxes come with like plastic bags that the clothing are in, so I utilize that. I always throw a little note in there to say thank you, and I package it up as nicely as I can. All right, so I found a good size box for the item that I sold. I make sure that I fold it up really nicely. You don't wanna just like crinkle it in a ball and throw it in. The customer will not be happy, and you wouldn't be happy to receive that either. So I always make sure that I try to fold it up really nicely. And then the other thing I do is I utilize these little bags that come when you order something and it comes in like a little bag, plastic baggie like this. I actually put it in one of those because if the box were to get damaged or the package were to get wet, your item inside is still safe. So I just always do that. I think companies do that for the same reason. So that's what I do as well. And then the other thing is I make sure I put a little thank you note in each item just to thank the person for purchasing. And then I just box it up and slap the label on and bring it to the post office. All right guys, so that is it for the spring cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to check out Poshmark. I'll have all the links down below so you guys can download the app, and don't forget to follow me at Absolutely Airs, and we can shop each other's closets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.